My leader, our agents have learned that United Nations trucks and planes are en route to the Almaty region with food and supplies. On behalf of the oppressed nations of the world, the GLA should intercept those deliveries, that we might use them for our most righteous cause.
Convoy sighted. They have no idea we are here. They are entering the village, moving towards our ambush positions. The UN trucks are there, and the sheep are coming for their handouts. We are in position now. The supplies are dropped off, and the middlers are moving away. Wait. Go now! Hold down the sheep and take what is rightfully ours! Die, pathetic peasant! The supplies are ours!
UN convoys are delivering aid supplies to the villages in this area.
I'm just a peasant.
We can put the supplies to better use than the villagers.
This hammer is heavy.
UN convoy has been sighted here.
No cost is too great. The higher order shall reign.
Our work is complete.
Ready for war.
Another supply convoy has been sighted here.
Our way is through. Ready for war. Ready for war.
Scorpion rocket
Ready
installed,
for war.
sir.
Be on watch for the enemy.
The villagers are taking our supplies.
Scorpion, ready
We
to
must
sting.
stop them, General.
Be on watch for the enemy. Prepare to fight. Take us to
The
glory.
convoy has entered the region.
Be on watch for the enemy. Our day
We are in
is
the main village!
Hi-ya! The
A
way is
warrior
clear.
has fallen.
We will cleanse them from our land. Attacking! One path to freedom. The way is clear. Be on watch for the enemy. The higher order shall reign.
Scorpion, ready to sting. Light tank of the GLA.
Bolted down and ready.
UN convoy
What
has
do you
been
want?
sighted here.
Hang on.
Good idea. We'll break him down. Good idea.
A warrior has fallen.
Good idea. Let's do some body work.
Yes, I know.
It still run. Yes, I know. It still run. Yes, I know.
Another supply
We'll
convoy
break it
has
down.
been sighted here.
They could be recycled. It still run.
Our way is through.
It all works.
Scorpion, ready to sting.
The convoy has entered the region.
Scorpion tank. It is good. Very
Hold the
well.
cannon
Ready.
These people will not be mocked.
A warrior has
They
fallen.
must die.
It will be taken care of. Fast as I can. Yes, I understand. It is good. I will do this. Very well.
Marauders tank assembled.
Yes.
UN convoy has been sighted here.
Prepare to fight. We will not be hindered. We will cleanse them from our land.
ready
We
to
will
sting.
cleanse them from our land. One path to freedom.
The convoy has entered the region.
Light tank of the GLA. Yes, I understand.
Pathetic sheep. Gun them down if they get in the way.
It is good. As you request. Fast as I can.
The convoy
They
has
must
entered
die.
the region.
It will be taken care of.
A warrior has fallen. You are
It
doing
is
well.
good.
We are much closer to our goals, and soon we will have all we need.
Yes, I understand.
American forces are coming. Get ready.
As you request. Yes, I understand. Fast as I can. We are the just
There are
ones.
many supplies
see an
hidden
American
in
base.
these
These
small
people
Ready
will
doors.
up.
not be mocked. Infidel! I will do this, as you request.
A warrior has fallen.
We are
well
the just
done,
ones.
General. You have reached a higher
These
rank.
people will not be mocked.
Nothing will stop us. Attacking!
An American,
None shall
a
stand
warrior
in our
has
path.
fallen and take what we need.
Attacking! None shall stand in our path.
Concentrate all guns on the air.
Our day has come.
The fool
We
Americans
will
think
not
their
be
supply
hindered.
airdrops will keep us from taking what is
way
rightfully
is
ours.
clear.
Use this, the quad cannon,
I'm
to
just a
bring down
peasant.
their precious planes.
We are here and
Some of the villagers have stolen
I do
our
what I am
supplies
told.
and secreted them in their homes. Level those homes if you must. Just get our supplies. A warrior has fallen.
I will die.
I do what I am told. Does it have to be so far?
Supply plane spotted
Yes.
here.
If you say so.
A warrior has fallen.
This may be painful. You change
ready
your
to
mind
sting.
often. I will go.
Bolted down and ready. Our will is strong.
An American plane. Bring it down and take what we need.
Marauder tank assembled.
So much for American superiority.
More American planes!
What
Quad
do you
cannons,
want with
clear
me?
the skies!
Treads tighten.
American fighter bombers.
An American plane. Bring it down and take what we need.
Americans are here. Get them.
I will try my chances.
A warrior has fallen.
Better be worth it.
Find out there.
We are ready for the American Air Force this time.
We have nearly completed our mission. Just a few more supplies.
Just show me where they are.
A warrior has
Just show
fallen.
me where they are. Let's see what we find. Get to the goods. It better be worth it.
An American plane. Bring
Let's see
it
what
down
we find.
and take what we need.
Look at their plane burn.
I'll get there. Yes, yes. Don't push me. I'll get there. Don't push me. I do not have patience for
Supply
this.
plane spotted here.
I do not have patience for this.
The Americans have come to fight for their precious foreign aid. Destroy them.
Yes, yes.
Do not hurt me.
Quad cannon. I'll puncture the next thing that moves.
The villagers are stealing supplies.
I will obey.
Destroy their homes and take what they have hidden inside. Supply plane spotted here.
Can I have some shoes?
I'll puncture the next thing that moves.
I will go.
4 on the floor. Going. I'll puncture the next thing that moves.
An American plane.
Huh?
Bring it
Don't
down
push me.
and take what we need.
I'm hungry.
I'll puncture the next thing that moves.
I do what I am told. Can I have some shoes? I will go. You change your mind often. I will go.
What?
Supply plane spotted here.
Okay.
Puncture the next thing that moves. Going.
Scorpion, ready to sting.
Supply plane spotted here.
This may be painful. Okay.
Bomb it down and ready.
This may be painful.
Don't push me.
The U.S. base is near, ready to attack.
Mind out there?
Marauder tank assembled.
Another American plane spotted.
Don't push me. Huh? You got something
This
for me?
supply pile is empty.
It better be worth it. Let's see what we find.
An American plane.
It
Bring it
better be
down
worth it.
and take what we need.
Get to the goods.
Say so. I will try my chances. Say so. This may be painful.
A warrior has fallen.
I will try my chances.
Wipe out these fools and take their supplies. what you take from them should make your mission a success.
Just show me where they are.
Wipe out the meddlers, take what is ours.
Fire!
Fire! Death to the enemies of the GLA. Fools should have stayed in their own land.
Spotted here.
Get to the goods.
We have attained our goal, 40,000 American dollars.